Hello, I am capital letter F.
Hi, letter F. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter F.
Hi, small letter F. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the fluffy letter.
F. That's who I am. F, F, F.
Let's say F. We are the fluffy S.
Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. F, F, F. Let's clap our hands to letter F.
F, F, F. Let's clap our hands to letter F.
Who are you? Hi, I am Flair, the funny, fluffy, furry tail fox. I am Foxy. What are you doing? I am making fish soup on the fire. What is this?
I start. Words like fire.
Fire. Fire. Let's say fire. What is this?
It's a fly.
What are these?
These are flowers.
What are those?
Those are fish.
What is this?
It's a footballer. He kicks the ball with his feet.
What is that?
It's a frog. A green frog.
What are those?
This is a flamingo. That is a feather. F is for fox. With fluffy fur. F is for fly that buzzes high. F is for frog. With a happy smile. F is for feather that floats in the sky. F is for fire, flickering bright. F is for flower, fresh and bright. F is for flamingo at the zoo, standing tall, in pinkish hue. This is Finch, the fisherman. He's sitting on the beach, catching golden fish. His fishing rod is long and fast. The foxes find him there at last.
Flair, come, take a look. The tiny fish is on a hook. Fried fish. What a nice treat for our midday feast. Let's share the fish, Mr. Finch.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter F today. Fox, feather, and frog, hooray! See you next time. Don't be late.
For letter R, it will be great.